经告诉我们了，在7:58左右呢发生的有感地震，这是非常有感的，可能不只是3级左右，大家不要紧张，这个地震感受的确是比较明显的。
Those buildings that you're seeing that collapsed or off kilter. In Taipei, my building has been swaying for the last couple of hours. There's still aftershocks. The last one was just a few minutes ago. People are relatively used to earthquakes because Taiwan lies right on a major geographical fault line. So there are earthquakes basically every month or so, even shocks that are felt in Taipei. This, of course, was a quake on a much, much larger scale, but people remain relatively calm because they're used to these sorts of natural disasters. Right now, authorities are looking at how to get aid into Hualien, the epicenter of this quake, and also why an emergency alert system did not go off across the island. Some people got texts telling them that an earthquake was coming. The majority of people, including myself, did not. So they're trying to figure out why that malfunctioned.